Hello, hello! It's me again, Jaya Jitsi, your MTPHD student vlogger. So today we are here in Manila because we are going to go to UP Manila and PGH to have our dissertation approval sheet signed. Yay! So last April 17, I successfully defended my research, my dissertation project. Pero just recently, syempre may mga revision yun sa manuscript. Just recently, my panel members approved of my final manuscript. So, right now, pupunta tayo, hanapin natin sila, magpapapirma tayo. Hopefully, nandun silang lahat. If not, pakaiwanan natin yung approval sheet para makompleto yung signatures. And then, we're really on to graduation! Yay! So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Tara, tara, tara! So, first stop natin is ORL. Papapirmahan mo natin si Doc Colliante kasi nandito lang siya ng AM. So, let's go! So, napapirma na natin kay Sir Colliante and nag-chika-chika kami ng konti, ganyan. Especially since gusto ko mag-ENT. I-reference ko daw siya. Pero, ayun, pagbubutihan ko naman sa residency. Pero hopefully makapasok tayo, guys. Yes! Para maganda rin yung continuation from our dissertation. Kasi nga, craniomaxillofacial yung gusto ko. And ENT din, ganyan. Amazing! Meron ng ganito. Tapos meron pang kape. First time ko makikita in person. So hi guys, so galing ako sa PGH but now I'm in UP Manila sa tapat ng College of Med. So I'm waiting for people to come. Dadating siya ng mga noon time so I'm just waiting here. Salcedo. Ah, this is the new lab. Wow, so nice. Nice. Brian Paulio, my classmate since high school hanggang PhD. Third tayo ni Brian. Yeah. This is the entrance. Student lab. Cool. Wow, ang ganda naman. Ano ba yan? I see. For the plasma and blood products. I see. Wow. Di naman confidential to, diba? Wow! May liguan! I see. So, dito ay... Sige, ito prank ba to? Usually, diba? Alright. Mga reagent, no?
Reagents.
Wow, may mezzanine.
Kasi dito yung malak ko yung animal. Pero wala pa rin.
Ay, shit! Me want.
Wala pa rin gusto. Pero yung reagent ko sila naman. So ito parang cold bean. Well, cold brew, pero hindi siya cold. Yung mga refill lang nandito kasi.
Pero ang ganda ng jacket mo. Sa init na to. Sa init na to sa Pinas, ilang degrees tayo. Wow! Eh, babago pa, no? Sa siya. Pwede bang pumasok? Ay, shucks. Wala, dito ako dati galing. Bird's Lab, diba? Bird's Lab. Ngayon may logo na sila. Oh my God, hindi ko nabutan. To Dr. Kawili, my very first mentor here. Grabe, ang ganda po ng logo nyo, in fairness. I love it. Yung pag-follow. Wow.
STA stage 2, pero ginagamit mo natin.
STA stage. Nice. Oh my God, hello. Hello. Inside the B-Lab. Wow, saan ang space mo? This one?
Yeah.
Wow, sipag. Naglalakad tayo ngayon papunta sa sasakyan to get the bulk of the documents kasi nag-message sa akin yung advisor ko, si Dr. Heralde, that he is here now in UP Manila. So, magpapasign tayo nung napakaraming manuscript, 6 copies. So, balik muna tayo sa car and get those stuff. So, yan. Isang manuscript lang yan. Tapos, meron pa tayo ditong lokal na manuscript. Yan yung kukunin natin and ipapasign natin kay Sir Frank. So, kakapasign ko pa lang kay Doc Paul and kay Doc Heralde, my advisor, one of my panel members. And so, we are going to NIH para iwan lang muna natin doon para yung dalawa ko pang panel members, sila naman yung magsasign. So, nasa NIH sila. They're going to be there some other time of the week or next week. So, iwan na lang natin siya doon. So, hard! Pero naiwan na natin. So, we're good to go. Punta tayong room! Magpalamig! And rest a bit! Hi! Welcome to day 2 of my rendezvous or my adventure for my approval sheet signing and final manuscript preparation. So I just came from the OVPAA, so the Office of the Vice Chancellor for Research Affairs, sorry. So napasignan ko na kay Ma'am Leslie Dalmasio, kay Dr. Dalmasio yung papers ko, and so now we're ready to do hard binding of our manuscript. Kakaiwan ko pa lang sa CJ's nung mga copies ko for binding. And I traded them first for my D-Cream coffee. Actually, D-Cream special to. So, tea ito. I miss this so much. Pero punta na tayo sa College of Med. Hingi ako ng emails for college clearance. That's Lady Med over there. So, take two. This is the final form. Yan. So, I had to go back to the printing shop. Kasi yung una, malito. Ginawang C, dapat Niedo. And then, ito rin, C, dapat E, tas ito, parang I, kasi Roman numeral daw. Pero it had to be this type of number 1. Tapos, nagkamali din dito sa spine. So, pinapalitan pa din siya ulit. But, yes, here is the final form. Dito tayo sa, sa acknowledgement. There we go. And thanks to my advisors, my reader panel members, to the institution, my funding agency, and of course my family and friends and loved ones, and of course to Jesus. So I already have my hard copy, pero by some twist of fate, may isang sheet na hindi napasignan. So iwan natin siya ulit sa NIH. Pero at least now, naka-hardbind na siya. Day 3. Hindi ko pa siya mapapasignan today kasi wala si Din Chong. So, babalik na ulit ako ng Friday. Tapos, ipapasign ko siya kay Doc Antonio for NGOHS. Success! Success tayo! Guys, so right now, we're on our last step. We're going to NGOHS to get the final signature that we need. So hopefully, matapos na siya today. So, nung nasa Coral pa ako, dito kami nagpa-practice sa auditorium. But I have to find where the NGOHS is. Yes! Finally! Success, guys! So I think this is my lucky shirt. Kasi ito yung suot ko nung proposal defense, pati final defense. Tapos hanggang makomplete yung signing. I already have 6 copies here. Yung isa National Live, yung isa College Live, isa sa Advisor, isa sa CHRE, SEI, tapos copy ko. Okay na tayo sa NGOHS, okay na tayo sa SRO, okay na tayo sa Dean's Office. Naipakita na natin, wala tayong deficiencies. So, punta tayo MD-PhD para ipaalam lang natapos na ako sa hardbound. Yan, postgraduate office. Yan, so tapos na tayo. Since nandito na rin tayo, sa likod na tayo dadaan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Back alley to College of Med. Yan, yung building na yan. Tawag na dyan Harry Potter. Dyan kami nagpapato. I mean, forensics. Ito yung backdoor entrance papuntang College of Med. Kulang natin dito, tatanong natin kung nasa yung UPCM library kasi nag-iba siya nung nagka-sinkhole. And so this is the Paz Mendoza building. Dito kami usually parang mga activities before or mga small classes. Tapos dito na pala nilipat yung UPM Live. So, ito yung loob ng PASMEN. Minsan nagka-class kami dito. Minsan nag-OSCE din kami. So, yung moving exam na clinicals, ganun. So, nandito na pala yung ayan. FBR Junior Medical Library. Magpapas na tayo. Yay! Goal achieved. So, nabigyan na natin lahat ng manuscript sa library, sa advisor. Tapos, hindi na. Ito na to. Tapos, ngayon, nandito tayo sa National Library. Papasok ko lang siya and we're good to go. Uwi na muna tayo. Kasi next career ko lang siya to SEI.